Hello guys, I hope you're understanding the commands and also practicing it. So let us move further and understand what Ortho in AutoCAD mode is used for. Ortho in AutoCAD is used to specify an angle or distance by means of 2 points using pointing device. And in this mode, cursor movement is constant, only either to horizontal or vertical direction. So whenever your ortho mode is off and you want to draw a line, you can draw a line in any direction. But when you turn on the ortho mode, you have the option below of ortho. By clicking this icon, you can turn on and off the ortho mode. And now if you draw the line, you can see you can draw the horizontal or vertical line. You can't draw the line in any other direction. Drawing will be drawn horizontally or vertically. So the shortcut to ortho is F8. You can turn on and off the ortho mode by pressing F8 on your keyboard or just by clicking on this icon. When you turn on the ortho, the line will be drawn either in horizontal or vertical direction only. So now let us move ahead and learn snaps. Let's say if you want to draw a line from center of the circle to center of this another circle, without using snap, you can check what happens. Select the line and just draw the line from center of this circle to center of another circle. And now select these two circles, and if you observe, the line is not accurately snapped to the center of the circle. So how to accurately snap particular points in the drawing? We have a method called object snaps. To set these settings, type S in the command box. A dialog box opens up and you have snap options available here. So I am clicking clear all objects and selecting few. F3 is the shortcut to turn on and off the snap. Click on OK. Below also you will find the option to select on and off the snap. Now just draw the line from one center of this circle to center of the other circle. And now when you select both the circles, you can see the line has been accurately drawn between the two center points. You can also select the nearest point if you have selected it from the dialog box. Here my nearest point appears over here on the line. Now let me just show you how to snap the midpoints. Just draw a rectangle. You have already selected midpoint option. Or just select it again and deselect the other. Select the line and now you can easily snap the midpoints. So this is how snap is used.